Hi everyone, I'm Francois. You may recall recently I did a full review of my bunker, the SWC bunker, and now it's on the leather bracelet with the signed buckle, as you can see. But I compared it to the new release of the ARK, the SWC ARK. And here it is. I just received it. So let's get right to it because it's time to watch. So I received the watch just moments, I would say hours, or okay, the next day. And I want to unbox it with you today. So let's get right into it. So nice bubble wrap here. Nice and protected. This is the extra strap. There's supposed to be another strap, but I guess they put it in there and it should be shipped separately. But that strap is going to go with the my bunker. Oh, yeah, I just saw that. There it is. So I thought they sent it separately, but this is an extra strap, again, that will go with my bunker. And it'll be kind of putting in focus the titanium itself. So there it is. It's gonna look good, nice and clean, clear. It's not as stretchy as the other one, but we'll put it on and see. I'll show you later. So here's the pouch itself, really well wrapped in bubble wrap, well protected. It seems to be the same type of model of the other one. So the other one was a bit stiff. I don't know if this one's a bit softer in regards to the leather itself. We'll see. Let's get this out. There it is. Yeah, it seems to be kind of leathery stiff again. You have the embossed logo, the stitching there with the pockets inside with the snaps to keep it closed. And on the back there's nothing else but just the stitching. And voila, that's what you have in the package. Like I said, the curved spring bar there that they provide. This is the warranty card, as you can see, like the other one, 3 years, and the date of purchase, as well as the serial number. So really nice, really nice. So here's the personalized note. And it's a nice touch. It's for the ARK, of course, not the bunker this time. And you see at the bottom, they have all the names there. But if you notice that Stephen is the father and the 2 others are there, as opposed to the other one, Jacob wasn't there. So good show. In the back, if you notice, there's no calibration. I wonder why. Well, because you don't need any. So we'll see, because you'll notice, as I mentioned last time, this is a quartz watch, and here it is, the ARK, SWC ARK. So you notice right there at the bottom of the 6 o'clock, the ticking of the seconds. Of course, for a quartz watch, that's what happens, and so you don't need calibration. It runs on a battery. So let me take this bunker off, and we'll do a side-by-side comparison. And we'll talk about what's in the pouch a bit later, but here they are. This is the leather strap that they decided to purchase to put on this watch, this version of the watch. So side by side, they kind of seem the same. They look the same. They have the same type of look and feel. And on the back here, you notice that it's kind of the same type of information that's on there, but you'll notice that automatic on the bunker on the right is not present on the left because it's not automatic, of course. It's a quartz movement. So subtle differences. The ARK is a little cleaner, I would say, with not too busy other than the small second at the 6 o'clock. The bunker itself has the minute track at the outside dial, and the 24 hours, and the bracelet, not the bracelet, but the strap, the leather strap, as opposed to the nylon strap. So let's see what's in the pouch, the rest of the pouch. So on the opposite side, you'll notice that there's the other strap that that comes with the watch. There's nothing else in there. We saw the card, and you'll notice that the flaps here are opposite, as opposed to the other one was side by side. So when you put in your watch, they won't cross, or you won't squeeze them together. You still have the embossed logo right there, so it's a nice touch. It's kind of soft inside, but it's still stiff. So when you close it, yes, it's on the opposite side, as you can see, but it's still kind of tight. But still a nice touch. So let's look at what I have now. You'll see here, this is a 20 millimeters that fits good with the nice titanium look. And you'll notice here this strap here has a little red in there that comes out with the second hand. So that's another nice touch. I like the fact that they have that curved bar, and that spring bar there, the extra one, comes with this strap. So the other side is nested right in here, and it's fixed so it doesn't move, and it's still Velcro, as you can see. Infinite adjustment, but it seems to be stretchier than the kind of a grayish one that I had initially. But it goes really well together. Side by side like that is perfect. I like my choice. So let's peel this off. We always like that. There you go, nice and clean, nice and crystal clean. That sapphire crystal with the AR coating, you can really see the dial well, and that date there at 3 o'clock. Let's take off the sticker on the back as well, of course. Got to take that off. Really clean. And so let me put this on my wrist, and we'll see what it looks like. So what I do is I typically just slip it in, grab at the top there, and slip on my wrist, and voila. Just pull on it. Just snug on the wrist. It looks good. It's a little smaller, you can see it, but it's thin, nice and thin. That's nice and comfortable. It's soft, it's wearable, very light. And what I do is I'd flip the spring bars, because it's easier to kind of put it on that side as opposed to the other side. It's kind of awkward with the positioning of your wrist. So I think it really looks good on my wrist. It's nice and clean and nice and simple. I think the proportions are great. And if you like these types of reviews or unboxings, don't hesitate. Press the like button and press the notification bell as well. You'll be notified when I do the comparison between the Bunker and the ARK. So thanks for tuning in. I hope to see you next time.